Alright guys, I'm going to start at the end. I'm going to try to walk my way down through here and try to get all the cars that I can in here. This is at the Kiamachi. What is that? This is my first time live. I have no clue even how to do this, dude. But anyway, this is Kiamachi Rod Run in Broken Bow, Oklahoma. I've shot a few videos of some cars that really caught my eye, but this right here is you look for. It's pretty clean. 57. Everybody knows I got split chrome. But what's weird is it's 73 and older is only allowed in this car show. You ain't gonna see no 74, 75, anything like that. But you got this four-wheel drive down here. It's got new style headlights and stuff like that. If you're gonna bring it as classic. But that's my opinion. And this right here, this is my buddy's pickup. He went flat black with it, but he showed up late, so that's what happens when you show up late. He has to park at the end.
I'll take a picture of that one.
And this right here is another one of his pickups, the C10 two-tone Cheyenne. Pretty clean. I think he said he's got a 57 at the house still in the garage. He didn't bring. He said it's working on it. But yeah. I always liked the 60s, 65. I always wanted a step side, but short wheelbase will work. They got side glasses. No. Plain C10s. I'm just having to jump back and forth side to side on the streets because they're parked on both sides. I guess I don't want to have to walk all the way down, walk all the way back. Wife, she's already complaining about her feet hurting, but it's okay. Got the bed in there. Got the Mopar. 425 one barrel. Super clean, dude. And I'll tell you one thing that I look at whenever I look at these classic cars. I always go right in here and I look at that stereo, hoping that they don't ever change them out. They leave them factory. But the inside's clean. Beautiful car. And they're probably looking at me funny because I'm talking to myself, but that's okay. I don't know how to do none of that stuff, dude. It's my first time going live on TikTok, but got a 55 looking at the chrome. It's clean, hood ain't up on it, can't show the motor. But this right here is what I was wanting to show you Mopar guys. If there's any, I don't know if TikTok saved these videos, but check this out. This dude, they saved this car. Check this out. That's where it started out in the weeds. Look at it growing up through the center of this thing. They saved it from they got it up on a trailer. I guess they got it back to their shop. Check out the rust damage on this, man. They had put some time. I'm gonna skip onto the back here, and this is y'all know what that motor is, correct? That's what's in this car right now, 426. It's killer, dude. And then somebody, read that. Initial investment, $200. Many to follow. This dude invested $200 in this project, dude, and I think it's paid off in spades for him. But check this out. You tell me this ain't one clean ass car, dude. Look at it. It was a safe car, dude, and you, look at this. That is super clean. But anyway, I got a video of it. I'll put it up on my channel later. But that's $396. Bell. Clean car. I don't know what this thing keeps telling me to swipe for. I'm not swiping nothing. I'll be swiping, close it. It was about 33. And this is. They're all clean. I mean, they're parked everywhere, dude. It's going to be hard for me to cover them. I was going to go to the parade for today, but ain't none of them leaving this. So, that's what we got to do. Oh, see if y'all know what this is. I bet the Mopar guys will. And y'all don't worry. I brought me an extra battery with the charge cord, so the phone will not be going dead. Clean. Whee. And then these right here I dig because it's just like factory to me. You can see where they started sanding or maybe doing something. And they just stopped and they just brought it. That's what I dig. Shoot, yeah. He said it's all original, 6-bolt system, everything. Look at that. That's a workhorse right there. That's one of them. That's one of them ones you can run into, run it below empty on oil, and it'll keep on chugging. Heck yeah.
Basically, make it look like a moonshine runner from the hills. I got
Right.
a moonshine jug in the seat.
Right.
And I got a moonshine barrel in the back.
Okay. He said he's going to try to make it. Got a moonshine. He'll make it into a moonshine rig for the car shows. It'll work. Then he's got his wooden drum in the back. That'll work, man. That's God we trust. I don't. At least he's a pretty cool dude. Nice enough to come tell us about it. Eliminator. All right. I bought me a gimbal to do this stuff with, but my phone's too big and that thing won't hold it. Anyway, that's clean. 57. I don't believe this truck come out with that motor. It might be just me, but looks a little bit more souped up. 327. Clean, good engines. Put one in a Trans Am one time. We blew it up the first day. We didn't do the break-in on it. Anyway, it's a clean car. Let's see if the factory stereo's in it. Nope. No factory stereo this time. Anyway, there's the one on the other side. Walked right past the Camaro sitting over there. It's a pretty cool little car show. A lot of locals here. C10s. I dig the pickups, dude. I'm a pickup guy. Also, depends what the car is. I like it whenever the owners come and talk to me and they tell me what their ideals is with them, what they want to do with them. That's clean right there. If you're a 50s guy, that's what you like running. They're gonna get me for copyright with that music jamming. Oh, they killed it. Check this out.
All right. Wipe out 3 o'clock time. I've got 5 numbers left on each board. And that's where it'll stay till in the morning. But now on this $2 board, the wiped out numbers are 44, 53,
Wow.
9,
Malibu.
19,
Clean car. Let's see if they got the factory.
73, 38, 50,
The AM, FM. That'll work.
71.
It's always a plus, like I told you, when it's got the factory stereo in
On
it.
the $2 board
I
are
like it.
wiped out.
55.
On the green board, number 1,
Clean.
number 49, number 43, number 46.
Oh, there's a lot of 57s here, dude.
You're wiped out.
Uh-oh. Somebody just got
On
eliminated.
the yellow board, number 19,
3100.
number 81,
They got all these newfangled motors in these dudes, but I guess that's the thing.
number 51.
Well, a lot of them does. A lot of them got factory. Anyway, it's clean. But we used to have this rod run up there at Beavers Bend State Park, and then Ho Chi Town blew up, tourist town, and they said the hot rods wasn't allowed down there no more. So the city of Broken Bow, what I was told, they let them have it here for free. They also donate stuff to them. So the city of Broken Bow is helping the classic car guys out, which is super cool. But that 3100 is clean. All right, where to now, B? Oh. Let's walk down this way. We'll go this way. I want to go over and look at that duster I seen. Big have to plug my battery in. It's about dead. Chevelle, SS. I got wheels. My mom had a car just like that, but it was blue. That's awesome. Got a Falcon, pretty killer. Rambler. Can't raise the hood up on it, so. Plain old car. They didn't do nothing real fancy with it. Might put some little up-to-date rims on it. But I'm gonna check, see if it's still got the factory in it. Yes, sir. They left the factory stereo in it. That's a plus. Look at that right there is the way automobiles ought to look on the inside. All the little nice buttons and switches, and it's great. Instead of pushing one and it controls your whole damn vehicle. Got it dropped. Must be on air or something. Probably air ride. Where did I see that Chevelle? Huh? Who? Where's Tiffany? Oh, okay. Yeah. I don't exactly know how this TikTok live goes. Uh-oh. Volska. Volkswagen. Put some of the cool cars back here in the back, man. You got to come back here and look at them back here. White bird. Pontiac. That's for them Pontiac guys. Pontiac power. Fair lane. Mustang. Here's what we need to be. Go camping in that dude. Check this out. Pretty cool. Right here, I wanted to come check this swinger out, dude. I know there's a lot of Mopar guys and Chevy, Ford, whatever. It don't matter to me, dude. Muscle car's muscle car. I don't care what manufacturer it is. But I swear the Dart was the most underrated car ever. But dude, do a little Google on them, man, and read up on them. These dudes was bad to the bone. Let's see if they left the factory stereo in it. I'm hoping they did. Looks factory to me. Got the push dial AM FM in it. They're the greatest. All right, we walked this, walked that. Let's go back over here. Yeah, I don't know about being live tomorrow or not, because all the cars are supposed to, like I said, went to the Rod Run parade thing up in downtown Broken Bow, and they all stayed here. None of them left.
There you go.
Can somebody tell me, if you go live, will your video be saved? Can you post it? Or I'll have to read up on it. I just ain't never thought about going live with it until I forgot about us having these car show here. Oh, yeah. I want to show y'all this. Dude, I feel like I'm a Mopar guy, dude, because I keep showing everybody Mopar. But there's Chevrolets, Fords. I was looking for a killer Ford, but everything seems to be Chevrolet and Dodge. There's a few Fords, but I think I'm seeing more of the other. Pretty clean. There's a lot of 55s, dude. A lot of them. 55s, 57s. Uh-oh. Look at that. That's that Mustang over there by that pond. Anyway, got a 57. This right here is what I want to show y'all. Here's another swinger. It's clean. See what we got under the hood. Nothing real fancy, not dolled up. Just that Mopar power. Pretty dope. Hell, my wife's in here now. I guess she's at the pickup. Let's see if they left the factory stereo in it. Yes, they did. That's right. Yeah. That'll work. Oh, here we go. Well, let's walk up through in the middle of here, B. Look at this. Do y'all think that Alpine system come factory in that? I don't. But anyway, it's all good. They need tunes too. Nomad, I think. Pretty sure. Check this out. You see the car? Look what's under the hood. That's that sleeper. Everybody pull up to the freaking red light and you get smoked. All you see is tail lights. Because I would think, oh yeah, look at this beater. My damn Daihatsu gonna tear it up. That's a clean old car. Oh, we wanted to be a gangster. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't put that up yet. No, no, no. Don't put that up yet. Don't put that there. Hold on. Let me get big. Anyway, guys, I'm trying to hurry up because he's putting everything up. It's a one-owner car. It had it all on here a while ago. I got a video of it. And, yeah, one owner. So, it ain't been nowhere else except this dude's garage, probably. He said he bought it new right here in Broken Bow, Oklahoma. Check this out. You know, I was my whole life, brother, Chevy. But I've learned since they started making everything plastic. I appreciate Ford, Dodge, anything that's made out of steel anymore. And this right here is killer. I would check it out, but it's all factory. I guess it's still all factory, ain't it?
Yeah, it's all.
Check it out. One thing I show them is I always look at that stereo and see if it's been pulled out and, you know, something new put in there. But that's factory. Got the roll dial, AM, FM. That is super cool. Got your B logos. That is clean, boys. Woo! That's a beautiful car.
Thank you.
All right, guys. We're going to move on. He's putting his stuff up, but I didn't know it. He bought it right here in Broken Bow, Oklahoma. New. One owner. That's super cool. Can't see what it is. Everybody's packing up. I guess they're fixing to go to the parade. If they do, I'll have to, go over there and I'll just do something. Anyway, I tried to go live, and like I said, nobody left here. I was waiting to go live over there at the thing, and that fell through, apparently. But it's all good. Trying to talk to wife into getting me some of them NHR tickets. She ain't never been, and neither is my kids, and I want them to experience one time getting that soul rattled. Because I dig the Top Fuel stuff, man. Check this car out. It's clean, boy. You can see yourself on them. Look at that. Super clean. Let's see if they let the factory stereo in it. That's my thing. Oh, wow. I'm going to probably say no looking at the dash. This may be a hidden gem that destroys people at red lights. Yeah, it got that big block underneath it, so you know it run. Got the old school flamer over there. At least, and they said nothing older than, you know, newer than 73 and back. But this is a Studebaker right here, dude. I think that's what they said it was. It's got a GTO motor in it. Check this out. Looks like they saved it from the scrap yard, which that's a good thing. If you can save any kind of classic car, it's always good. I mean, there's a lot of pictures. This dude, I'm just flipping big portions. Check it out, and that's what it come out to be this day almost, except they ain't got the bumpers and stuff on it. They changed it up. Pretty sick. I'm gonna say it ain't got the factory stereo in it. No, it's kind of modernized, y'all. Looks comfortable in there. Got GTO seats. you know, you can haul the family and haul ass at the same time. You know what I mean? Here we go. This is my kind of rides. Right here. Ugly, but killer at the same time. Nothing fancy. Just cool. Cadillac. Here we go. Got the goat. We're nearing towards the end of it, guys. But I got a few videos that I'll post tonight that I did with some of the cars that I seen. But, well, you can't get no better, dude. You got a beautiful view or a nice Broken Bow little lake right here at the city park. If you want to fish, look at the lily pads. Throw your frog out there, tear them up. But you got to be under 6 or 9 years old, and you got to be a senior citizen to fish at that pond. So, what, the ducks? You know, don't be afraid. Raffle to benefit Red River Valley Veterans Memorial Museum. Get your tickets here. 57 Bel Air. That's pretty cool, doing it for the veterans. Just a little stock Chevrolet motor. I don't even know if it's I can't really see. I don't want to touch the car with my pants or button or anything. Here we go, for you Chevrolet guys. It's the heartbeat. Got the fender skirts on it. It's a clean old car. I guess if you buy a raffle, you can win it. Be cool. I guess we're gonna. But I'll probably be back. I seen a bunch of cars leaving a while ago. Might run up here to downtown and go see if they went up there. And it is pretty here. It ain't real hot. It's a little muggy, but humid. Uh-oh, quacker tacker. Huh?
I don't like ducks.
They ain't gonna do nothing to you. They're more scared. They're more scared of you than you are of them, man.
They're over there.
The one with the red on his head, them the vicious ones. They'll come over and bite you on the finger. But that was just some of them. I didn't walk down that back aisle over there. I'll probably come back tomorrow and try to catch the ones that I didn't get today. And hopefully them Chargers and stuff that I seen leave out a while ago, I want to catch them on there. I'd like to see underneath the hood of them. I got them on video leaving, going right beside me, but I didn't get to look in there and didn't get to see no engine or anything like that. What? But, oh, right up here at the gate, you got to have special mittens. But I think they did better off being down here, because up there at Broken Bow Lake it was nice, but we poured a bunch of camping sites down there where they used to have the rod run at, and so that killed them. And they put cabins down there now, that killed it. And it was beautiful up there, but this will work. And if Broken Bow supports it and they help them, I'm all for it. All towns should help all like car shows, in my opinion. You know, you can't find them no more. You can't. I mean, if you do buy them, you're paying what a new vehicle costs, more or less. I see Maple Motors, you know, I follow them on TikTok, and what? Anyway, I see Maple Motors. They're always, you know, posting classic cars and stuff like that. And I mean, some of the really cool ones, they wanting 40, 45,000. That's like a new price for one of these new plastic ones that you can buy almost, you know, like the Hondas and stuff like that, or even Chevrolet, Ford, they're all the same. You park, let's say 2023 Ford Dodge, you can't tell them apart at a distance. They all look the same, and I don't like it. Broken Bow PD, he rolling through. Yep. See, these are my kind of vehicles right here, man. I ain't lying. That's what I would drive. I would drive the hell out of it. Yeah, I want to see. Oh, you got them old side pipes on it. Check it out. Let's see if we can hear what it sounds like. Come on. Oh, they're going.
Unless that car get in front.
I guess so. Oh, they're going.
Up.
Yeah, they're lining up. They're fixing to go do the rod run, I guess. Sounds stout. Yeah, can I not stand here or something? I ain't in the way. Huh? Up where? Well, we'll walk up there. I'll walk up there and wait for them to come through then. I'll get out of their way.
Yeah, because they're going to come this way.
Yeah. I'll go stand over here in this thing. I guess they're letting them all pile up right there. Try to. I seen a blazer up here a while ago. I don't know where it went, but they're all fixing to come through. So if they come through and I get most of these on that video, I don't know about going live tomorrow. But that blazer's gone. Oh yeah. What is that? 55 over there. I guess that's the gatekeeper. That's his car. See, that's what I'm talking about. Z71. Parker Ford next to it is identical, except it ain't got Z71 or Chevrolet emblem. I just don't dig them.
I don't want to hear them cars run.
Yeah, you and me both. I don't know if they're gonna.
Are they gonna happen here or?
I don't know. They're lining up. I wish they'd let them get right up here and just disintegrate them a little bit, you know. Give them that little torque.
Yeah, they're all packed up.
Yeah, they are lining up, ain't they?
Yep. Here come Mom. Let's start the line now.
What? 10 more minutes? For what?
Before they leave here. They're lining up now.
Okay, so what? Well, I was just going to say that. Really? So are you wanting to go up there or what? Yeah, but I was wanting to be out on the... Alright guys, she said we're going to run down here somewhere where I can get a better... Alright guys, she said we're going to run down here somewhere where I can get a better... Would you turn that off? It's feeding back. Alright. Let's run down there. It goes into like portrait thing whenever you're sitting inside because I guess because everything's so close. That's why they're fixing to stand right there. Ooh-wee. You turn right in front of them.
No, they shouldn't be going so fast.
Yeah, it is high school. All right, I'm gonna get out. Oh, Wait for these cats to go through. Put this in there. Hello? Plug that up. Damn. Trying to hold this and do that and wait for them to come through. Yeah, if I catch them all today, I won't have to go live tomorrow. Go back to putting. There we go. Now we're charging. I don't even know live start Hall of Fame, whatever that is, at a live goal. I don't know if anybody say anything, but oh, here we go. Here, I probably know this cat. This is the kind of vehicle we drive. Oh, he ripping it up. Crazy. Come on, here comes the police officer. So I'm gonna say that they're fixing to be here. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna try and get. I don't know which way they're gonna turn. But I'm gonna try to get a low shot of them as they go by. Stand right there. Now don't stand right in front of my... Really? Oh, they're turning. I think they're supposed to be following the police officer here. Maybe he's supposed to turn that away. Yeah. Move over here. He got it. There it goes. They're like, we're supposed to be following him. Shoot, yeah. Get it. I guess they're afraid to get in them following the cop and all. I'd still have to pour the coast to a little bit. I don't think he's part of the parade. He got 350 in there though, I can hear it. Oh, they're stopping. Sounding pretty solid, man. I think they should have got a longer road. Oh, Chevy sounds stout. I guess they all decided to go. There's what I'm talking about. A family boat.
Oh yeah.
But would run. Yeah, since they all coming through here today, man, solid Sandell car. 770, 55. And right there sounds like it got some muscle with it. I bet that dude would run. Pipes firing down. There we go, Fairlane. We were saying that a while ago, do the walk around. Just plain old Jane, factory. I dig it.
I've got wheels off of this car.
Makes me think of Purdy Boy. Listen to this, dude. That right there. Beep, beep. He got the Road Runner horn in there. Check it out. He just dropped it. He got airbags on it. That is super cool. Check him out. He knows he's cool, dude, in that pickup. They get to drive something we all love every day. Or I would. I'd drive it back and forth to work every day. Air conditioner, no air conditioner. I don't need none. Packard, yeah. They are super cool. Yeah, as you said. Yeah, there we go. That old pickup run. Get it. Oh yeah. There we go. There's that one. That is crazy. 57. That's gangster right there. Look at him. Their kid driving that. That's probably the first car he bought, and that's what he wanted was some steel. Mom's caddy is what the license plate said. That is super cool. Oh my, I thought that Kia rubbed off on him for a minute. Oh my goodness. There we go. I'm waiting for my buddy to come through here. Hopefully he's driving that pickup that I showed y'all earlier when it first started. Stout sounding car. Comes Firebird. Ooh. He probably bought that when he... Oh, here comes the Dart. Where is it? Mopar. Hell yes. I would drive it. Dude, I drive. There we go. There's mine. Flat broke, it said. Thank you. Dude. Wow, about hit him in the head. Just walk on in front of my camera. Oh, here it is. This is the one owner car, guys. He bought this brand new in Broken Bow, Oklahoma. Hell yes. There we go. It's crazy. I got a video of this car right here, dude. It's gonna be pretty killer. He bought that and there was weeds taller than me growing through the floorboards of that thing. Way better than me. I don't know if they're gonna fit them all on there. There's supposed to be 150 vehicles here. So I don't know if I got them all. That's what I'm talking about. There's his... Ain't that him? That might be his son. Uh-oh. Chevy had to restart. That is clean. Oh, he went that away. They watch too much ZZ Top, but it's still super cool. They're getting thin right now. Oh, he talking on the phone. Thunderbird. Oh, they're racing to catch up. Super clean. for your four-wheel drive, guys. Look at that beast. I don't dig the new headlight styles in them old trucks like that, but it is what it is. I guess what you like. That is weird looking to me. Anyway, yeah. That old boy had a Peterbilt. I could swear I said Peterbilt on the front of that car. They know they're cool. Oh yeah, check it. Here we go. Mopar. Hell yeah. That is super cool. I would drive it, pink or not. I'm just saying. I'd be waving at you like the president. I wouldn't care. That thing sounds stout too. One of them burning oil. I smell it. But what do you expect? 40 plus years old? Yeah, you'd be burning a little oil too. I guess they didn't want to be part of the parade. They're going to go ahead and go get their spot. They're like, we're going. I believe that's it, ain't it? Yep. That was pretty much all of them, guys. Only thing I didn't get was, huh? Is there more? Oh, yeah, there is more. I was wrong. There's one more. Huh? I didn't ever see a three-wheeler come through. Did he come through? Was that him in that pickup? Dang it. That's it. Oh, we got us a Mustang. Let's see if we can't talk this dude into lighting him. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No. There's for you Ford guys. Anyway, y'all can look down through there, dude. It's just lined up with classic muscle. That's what we all love. Well, I ain't gonna say we all love, but the ones who follow me and the ones I follow, that's what I dig. That American steel. But it is, like I said, they're getting harder and harder to find. You can't even find them. You can't. I mean, if you do, you're buying a new vehicle now, because their steels went up, everything went up, and the economy's getting worse. But I guess that's going to conclude my live. I've never done it. I appreciate everybody who was in here, who come check out my live feed. And like I said, if they're going to be here tomorrow, I'll probably come back and be live again tomorrow. And this time, like I said, on that back row, I'm going to look for the ones that I didn't get in the video. And hopefully they all got their hoods raised, where we can check out the power under the hood and see what they're running. And I'm sure some of them's going to be, up to date, probably fuel injected, and huh? Oh, you can't miss out on the C10. But yeah, I'll be back live tomorrow, and I think it's pretty good. It got up to 230 something people in here checking it out, and but I sure appreciate it. Like I said, just blue collar worker, work every day, usually 6 days a week, and but we'll have fun. You want to tell them bye? Oh, you want to tell them bye? But anyway, it's Concrete Live 365, and I'll probably catch y'all tomorrow. Huh? Thank y'all. I don't even know how to end it. How do you stop it? There's not a stop button. Oh, no. Yeah, I guess that power button up there in the corner. I told y'all. 5 slow. I work 9 days a week. Damn. 36 hours a day. Hey. Don't work that many hours, but I damn sure work every day. Got off today because I took off today. But anyway, we'll catch y'all tomorrow, same time. Hey, what time's that tomorrow? Yeah, it says it on that stupid little post that I did about the run. But I appreciate all y'all, and we'll holler at y'all later. In now.